Please kindly notice that the UI has been renewed. Similar tools are grouped and after tape feature is added.
Deactivated patterns are considered as non-existent in the 3D window. The function is generally used to keep complicated details such as pleats or slits from avoiding collapsing. Select the patterns in 3D or 2D window, then choose Deactivate in right-click pop-up menu. There will be two kinds of deactivate functions. Choose the desired one. Activate the simulation. Deactivated patterns will be translucent, navy, and solid in the 3D window. The rest of the pattern simulate through the deactivated patterns. I would like to show you the difference between the two kinds of deactivate functions. If you choose Deactivate Pattern and Sewing, the sewing lines between the patterns will be unavailable. You can adjust the patterns separately. If you choose Deactivate Pattern only, the sewing lines between them are still working, so you cannot drag the side of the pattern that sews to another. If you want to activate the pattern, please right-click on the pattern, then choose Activate in pop-up menu. Deactivated patterns do not collide during simulation. Right-click on the selected patterns, then choose Freeze in the menu. As the pattern comes to light blue, it will be solid in 3D window, and the patterns cannot go through the frozen ones. Therefore, it is better to use for draping multiple layered garments. When the pattern is frozen, the sewing lines are still activated. Right-click on the selected pattern, then choose Unfreeze to unfreeze it. Use Strengthen to temporarily harden patterns while simulating the 3D garment. Select the patterns, then right-click on the patterns in 3D window. Choose Strengthen in the pop-up menu. When the patterns are strengthened properly, they turn orange. Activate Simulation, then the patterns will temporarily gain strength, and they will express clean folds where the fold angles are applied. Select the strengthened pattern, then right-click on it. Choose Unstrengthened to Unstrengthened. Then you will see the fold line is not as sharp as before. If you want to maintain the wrinkles on the pattern, use Solidify function. Select the pattern and choose Solidify in the right-click pop-up menu. The selected pattern is now being solidified. Right-click on the solidified pattern and choose Unsolidify to cancel the solidify. You can also toggle on Solidify in the Property Editor after selecting a pattern.